What's happening, everyone? Got another teardown. We're going to do a Dialn X62 today. If you get some of these and you want to tear it apart and fix something, you got something going on with it, show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do tear a phone apart, you could damage it more than what the problem you're trying to fix in the first place. So if you're not confident in your skills, ask a pro to do it for you. Otherwise, show you how to do this. And lastly, if you guys can, subscribe. We appreciate all the support. We've gotten a lot of support. We appreciate that. And we got a ton more of these hard resets and hard teardowns coming up. So if you want to see something special, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, let's get into this. You want to take the back cover off. There's a little notch right there, you can see. You put your nail in there and pry the back cover off. There's the back cover, don't need that. There's the battery, you can pull that out, don't need that. And now we got all these screws that we can take out. So we'll set this down. Grab your screwdriver. I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. And let's get to it. Alright, so once you do that, just double check to get all the screws out. I have a tendency to miss one or two, so I wouldn't be surprised if I missed one. But it looks like we got them all. And we can grab our pry tool and start prying away. So I want to get in, this is already loose, so you can kind of see that. Just want to kind of get in between here, pull up, see what's clicking, what's not. And you can see that this camera lens took the rear camera with it. No big deal, it just pulled it off for us a little bit sooner. So there is the rear camera. And there's the camera lens. So let's set that to the side. We don't need that anymore. We'll get this bottom back cover too. This houses the loudspeaker. And it's just a cover for the speaker. We can see we got the loudspeaker right there, and it's connected, hardwired into the ribbon that goes up this way, and then this ribbon connects to the vibration motor and the microphone. And basically, if this portion goes bad, which is your microphone or your vibration, you're gonna have to replace this little board here. It's PCB, as some people would like to call it. But we do have a couple more screws in holding up the motherboard. There's one right there and one right there. So let's get those out first. My recommendation to you guys, that you keep your screws separate from the inside screws and the outside screws, because they're not the same length, and you don't want to put the longer screws when you're putting this back together with onto the board, because you could do some damage there. So there's your tip of the day. Then we'll unplug all these connectors. This one here, this one here for the front camera, and we have this this flex for the, was it the action button or the Google Bixby button, or Google Assistant button, I should say. Bixby, you guys remember that, right? So we gotta pry this up first. We got that, so we don't rip it, because if you rip this is soldered on, and you'll basically damage it for good. And the only other reason you gotta take this off anyways is because this coax, as you can see, it runs underneath the, sorry, I got this piece of glue here that I really want to get off. That'd be nuts. There we go. All right, so move this coax on next. Boom, there's the coax, that's off. Set that to the side, we don't need that anymore. And we got all the other connections off, so we can pry this back. There's your motherboard. The ear speaker, or I should say the front camera is still attached, so we can pull that off too. There's your front camera. Set all that to the side. So what we got left is the ear speaker and the power volume flex on the side. I don't bother taking these pieces off, because you realistically don't need to replace those. And if I'm doing a screen replacement, usually I buy the full screen how it is like this with the frame. That way all these pieces are already in here, and I don't have to worry about putting them back in. Makes life a lot easier, do the repair a lot faster, and move on. So it's worth a couple extra bucks. So then we got, I'm gonna heat this up a little bit just to make life easier. you guys see my other videos, you know that I like heat. It makes life easier, in my opinion. And if you are in a pinch and you don't have a heat gun, a blow dryer will work. Not recommended, but it will work. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I mean? So I never, someone does something different than I do, I'm like, you know, as long as it works for you, that's all that matters. We got that portion up. Let's get this, get right in between the frame and the power volume flex, and you can just pry up a little bit. And this just came off like butter with that, a little bit extra heat. We got that off, and then we just got the ear speaker to take off. And this shit came out pretty well too, since we got heated up. And that just fell right out, look at that. Didn't even pry. There's the ear speaker, and that's done. And that's how you do a full teardown on a Dialn X62. Sorry, I had to call it. I always nickname this the Dialn, so that's why in my head I'm like, that's not the right name. It's Dialn. Dialn X62. If you guys want to see something different or want to see something special, there's a model you're having trouble with that you want to see, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you as soon as we can. I know there's a couple requests already that we're working on, and hopefully get those up here soon. So otherwise, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.